Welcome to week 1, everything on prospecting. Now, this is the second step where we mentally explore what type of information needs to be gathered during the first meeting. To excel in the first meeting, say for example with the radiologist, you must transition from a product seller to a clinical consultant. Radiologists are highly analytical, they value efficiency, image clarity, and diagnostic confidence above all else. You can use this framework that I'm about to propose to you to help you execute during that first interaction and also becomes very useful on the type of research you need to do before you even meet your prospect. Number 1, clinical scope and case mix. Before discussing hardware, you must understand the why behind their scans. Are they a generalist or do they specialize, example, MSK, breast, vascular, or interventional? Do they see a high volume of difficult to image patients like high BMI, elderly, or pediatric? What percentage of their day is spent on diagnostic scanning versus needle-guided interventions? Very important to find out about the gap. Is there a specific type of patient or pathology when they currently find themselves switching to CT or MRI because the ultrasound clarity isn't sufficient? Number 2, workflow and throughput bottlenecks. Radiology departments are often judged by their turnaround time. How many patients are they expected to see per shift? This uncovers the need for automated measurements. Inquire about sonographer fatigue or repetitive strain injuries within the team. This is a massive silent pain point. How does the current system integrate with their PACS or RRS? Are there delays in image transfer or reporting? Or are they still using the good old thermal papers? Do they use voice recognition or structured reporting? Number 3, technical and performance standards. Radiologists speak the language of physics. Gather data on how do they feel about the, say for example, speckle reduction or edge enhancement on their current units. Which transducers are they using 80% of the time? Example, single crystal, high frequency, linear or volume probes. Are they currently utilizing elastography or contrast-enhanced ultrasound or microvascular imaging? If not, is it due to lack of interest or a lack of capable technology? Number 4, the legacy context. You aren't just selling a machine, you are replacing an old habit. What is the flavor of the department? Example, we are GE House, or we are use Philips or Cardiac or Samsung for OB. Make sure you find out which model they are using. You need to understand the frustration factor. Ask if they could change one thing about the user interface of their current system. What would it be? Is it too many keystrokes, slow boot up time, or heavy probes? Importantly, service history. Have they had issues with downtime or slow response time from their current vendor? You should also ask how many times their systems was down. Number 5, decision making and buying logic. In a hospital setting, the radiologist is the influencer or user, but rarely the sole buyer. Who else is involved? Head of sonologist, biomed, purchasing manager, or hospital CEO. Is this a replacement or an expansion? Are they looking at a direct capex purchase, a lease, or a cost per scan reagent style model? Then ask what is their budget, or subtle way would be which brand or model they are benchmarking. Now, very important, the first meeting mindset. Don't open the brochure, instead use a meta-model approach. Ask open-ended questions that challenge their current limitations. Example, when you are performing a deep abdominal scan on a high BMI patient, how much time do you spend fighting the machine's settings to get a good image diagnostic? Hope this session was useful. Take care and see you soon.